Background noise. I'm so used to the cars passing by, I don't even think about like just editing it out. Editing it out. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brooklyn. Live in Texas. Stay a little longer, see if we vibe, and subscribe if you'd like. This video is just random. I do these when I can. I don't even like plan anything out usually. I just kind of go through my head and say, what can I film? More eyeshadow looks, of course. But today I want to show you how I do my eyebrows. I hate when I don't have my eyebrows on because my forehead just looks so much bigger. Like it's already big. So the first things first, I do it really simple. Rarely do I use pomade, but I do have some. That's usually when I run out of like pencil or I'm just trying to go for a bolder brow. Lately I've been using the drawing eyebrow from Etude House, and I think this is a Korean company. I find these on Amazon. They're about, I don't wanna lie, I think around $7. They used to be way cheaper, but I think people caught on. So it comes with a cap over the spoolie, but I just take it off because I get confused on which side is the pencil and what side is the brush. The brush end, I think it's a brown cap, and the pencil end is black, but it's just no glasses. It has an angled, tip. I don't know if that benefits me at all. I guess it kind of does. I don't know. I also updated my mirror. It went from Miss T's. I don't know if y'all remember Miss T's. And I just cleaned it up and put some flower stickers. So I have been working so long on getting my eyebrow to look at least like a shape. And I remember when it looked like this one. So I would be so happy that the arch was coming in. So we're almost there, guys. The 90s won't get me forever. I've been using this black castor oil on my brows and my lashes. Not for very long. I don't even think it's been a month yet, but I did use it when I was getting a lot of postpartum hair loss. That was like at 6 or 7 months into postpartum, yeah. So my hair was just falling off so bad. And I read up on this in a mom group that I'm in on Facebook. And a lot of them were mentioning this oil. So I gave in and I got it. And being a new mom, you don't really get enough time to shower sometimes. So it was not easy to keep up with the hair routine introducing this, because you have to coat your hair and let it sit for a while, walk around, clean, take care of the baby, and then boom, shower. Usually I would just barely get time to just wash my body. I couldn't even do my hair. But for as little times as I used it, I feel like it started to work. My hair got stronger. I'm sure it had to do with genes and science working as well, but I noticed a difference. And I stopped losing as much hair. And I feel like there has been progress. And I haven't even been using it for almost a month. And this is almost like this is there. Like I could go to the grocery store and look normal instead of like I don't know, like just put it on every night before bed. I put some on my brows and my lash line, and then I'll pat it just so it won't be like super greasy, and then I'll just go to bed, wash it off in the morning. So now what I do is I just go in with pencil, and then I'll blend it in with an angled brow brush. And then if I need to, I'll go in with any, because this is brown, it's a dark brown, but I like to emphasize the bottom line for some reason. I don't know why. It's just habit. Does it even do anything? I don't know, but I keep bringing it back into my routine. And it's just a regular black pencil brush. You can probably even use a black eyeliner just to you'll see what I mean. It's I put the cap on the end and I've been sharpening it, and it's really short. It's hard to hold, so this helps extend it, because the pencil's literally that tiny. And it needs to be sharpened as well. It's usually a lot sharper because its job is to define the bottom and then darken the tail. So let's get started. I might have to put this on a time lapse, but you'll get an idea of what I do. Time to zoom in. I hope I stay in the shot. Hope my camera doesn't blur because I don't have my glasses on. So going in with the angled pencil. I outline the bottom. Kind of bring it out a little further. And then follow the other side. And then sometimes I'll stop there and I'll continue to follow the arch. And if I have to take any off, I will. I call this the rough draft. The other side's a little more challenging because less hair, but I usually try to follow what's across. Not bad for a rough draft. I'll go with this angled pencil by Real Techniques. I added, is it blurry or am I just blind? Okay, Galaxy duct tape to the end of my brush because the rubbery, you know, that rubbery little seal or whatever handle, it started getting weird and like sticky after I'd wash them. So I just put duct tape. But it's Real Techniques. I love Real Techniques. Real Techniques brushes. I can't talk today. So I go in with the brush and I blend it softly. Front. See, the like line isn't as harsh anymore. We love it. And with the other side. Start trying to make them even. Hit or miss. One thing I do is I take my finger and just outline the top and the tail the bottom. And I'll do it this side. I always have a towel here to wipe my fingers or brushes on. I darken it with that black pencil, especially the tail end. And then I'll go in the bottom and kind of intensify it. I know I messed up right there a little bit. And I'll go in and fill out any little blank spots that need some loving. So there's one, there's two, but if you probably look at them too close, they won't look even. So Stop looking. I still gotta take a little bit off from this side. And then I'll just go back in and blend it out the way I want. There's my brows. After I'm done with my makeup, I'll go in with either a brow gel or just plain mascara, as long as the brush is little. Like, I like using the lash stiletto by Maybelline, and see how small the brush is. See that? It's really skinny. I use it for my bottom lashes. I do my brows just to shape them and like keep them there. One thing I forgot to mention, when I prime my eyes for eyeshadow, I put concealer and just shape my concealer underneath. Sometimes I'll go over also, but not all the time. And then I'll blend it in with my finger, and it will look like this side. So just wanted to put that in there. Alright guys, so that is it for my video. Thank you for watching if you made it this far, and please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. And I will see y'all in my next one. Peace.
Yeah. And I do the makeup all day.
All day?
Yeah.
Not all day. Okay, now we do it with glasses on, okay? That. Thank you everyone for... No, how do I... Alright, so that is all for my... Oh my god, all this noise is happening.